I'm feeling lonely. I think about her, what she's doing. Can't lie, I'm hurting. Couldn't my dead heart learn to love again? I ain't gonna lose it. Thanks for the memories.
Welcome to the province of Aceh. We are now in Iki's Momong, Aceh Besar, in the western part of Aceh. So we are at the beach now. The beach is really beautiful, guys.
Almost 20 years have passed since the great tsunami hit Aceh.
Away by the great tsunami. A sudden vertical rise of the seabed by as high as 24 meters during the earthquake displaced massive volumes of water,
Made me heartless, the right girl at the wrong time.
resulting in a tsunami that struck the coast of the Indian Ocean, especially the Aceh province of Indonesia.
Things wasn't meant to be. Oh, she wasn't meant to be. Now I gotta learn to love again.
In many places, the waves reached as far as 4 kilometers inland. The locals here describe the great tsunami as the Black Giant.
I ain't gonna lose it. Thanks for the memories. I let it go now. Things wasn't
Water carrying tons of debris flowing inland through the city streets of Banda Aceh.
The tsunami almost wiped out every structure completely. Minutes after the powerful earthquake.
The wave is really big.
I remember vividly on 26 December 2004. I was still resting on my bed that morning in Baiturrahman, Penang, Malaysia. Suddenly, I felt a strong vibration that hit the building. Ceiling fan was swinging. Hours later, I saw headline news on TV flashing across my eyes. Great tsunami has hit Aceh hard. Almost 2/3 of the Aceh's population that time of 240,000 have been perished. International aids had been flying into hell.
It's beautiful. This warning sign, big wave, you can't actually swim here. So we'll be staying here for a night here. Hi guys. Nice people. Looks like we are having a fun time in Aceh. So there will be more adventure tomorrow. Actually, this part was hit badly, and it wiped out the whole place. Not only the Aceh town, but also this place. Going for a swim. So this is the place that we are going to swim. Sini, sini, sini. So you can see some rocks here. It protects the strong wave from hitting the shore. On my right, you can actually swim here. So it's a no-no on the left. So this is what we are eating. Seafood. So vegetables. Guys, yo, makan guys. Morning guys. We are waiting for the sunrise. So now it's low tide.
People everywhere, I'm feeling lonely. I think about her, what she's doing.
Selamat makan. Setelah ini kita menuju ke mana? Okay. See you guys in Aceh. Now we are in this Masjid Rahmatullah in Lampuuk. Lampuuk, which is a longa. This is one of the remaining structure after the tsunami in 2004. Besides the one in Banda Aceh, Turkish government has came to give aid to this place and reconstruct this area. Together we have friend Rahmat, Rosie.
Hello guys.
So this is the majestic mosque.
Ini salah satu masjid yang tersisa ketika tsunami. Jadi ketika tsunami melanda Banda Aceh, cuma masjid inilah yang tertinggal untuk daerah Lampuuk. Nah, jadi di dalam nanti masih tersisa puing-puing sisa reruntuhan ketika tsunami.
Oke. Sana, sana. So this is structure. The original structure due to the tsunami. So this portion, they still retain this portion. Bisa lihat yang masuk sana. Actually, this mosque was badly affected, and Turkish government helped to rebuild this area, including the mosque and all the other structures in this area. So you can see a lot of housing here is all similar because due to the aid of the Turkish government. So our friend Rosie is bringing us to walk around. So this is the museum we are going in. Buka. Oh, okay. Oh, okay, okay. So this was the condition during the Great Tsunami. So this was the mosque in 2004 and the tsunami struck 26 December 2004. And Momong is here. We stayed here last night. So Bill Clinton visited this place and he gave respect to the people in Lampuuk. This was in December 2004. This is 10 years later. We are in Aceh town now. This is also one of the iconic place in Aceh city. So it's called Masjid Raya Baiturrahman. In 2004, tsunami struck here
And this is also one of the remaining structure after the tsunami 2004 in December 26. And this is Mi Razali, one of the famous Mi Aceh in Aceh town since 1967. And in front of me, right just in front of me, there is this temple. So this Chinese temple is Vihara Dhamma Bhakti. Prayers going on today. Yesterday was the 8th day of Chinese New Year. We're gonna head on to the next place, Museum Tsunami Aceh. Today we have a lot of friends here. Muhammad Ridwan Kamil is the architect for this museum. So in this museum, we learn a lot of things during the 2004 tsunami that hit Aceh. So we are in this tsunami PLDT Apung, where one of the big ships swept all the way across 10 kilometers away off the shore due to the tsunami in 26 December 2004. Actually, below this ship, there's a lot of dead bodies. They are unable to take the dead body out due to the tsunami in 2004. So there's still a lot of dead bodies being trapped under this big ship. And I'm in one of the remaining houses hit by tsunami as well. So we are in this village. It's called Rumah Puing. So this place is called Kampung Punge Blangcut in Kota Banda Aceh. Local here they call Kampung. It's actually Kampung which is village. So this monument indicates that the earthquake struck at 7:55 and the tsunami fell 10 minutes later. Oh, rumah di bawah dua. Oh, okay.
Di dekat tulisan itu satu, ke depannya lagi di sebelah sana tinggal garasi mobil rumah anaknya. Ada belum ditarik mobil di dalam bawah itu.
PLDT Apung. Far away on the backdrop, it's Pulau Sabang, one of the famous tourist spot in Aceh. These are they call it benteng here to cushion off the great tsunami in the future will hit Aceh. Ula Kareng, Banda Aceh, Jalan Iskandar. So this is Solong Coffee, one of the famous coffee. So they have roastery and gallery. So we have many types of coffee beans.
People everywhere, I'm feeling lonely. I think about her, what she's
Coffee
doing.
Solong.
Can't lie,
A lot of bubble. It's due to the pouring.
learn to love again.
This is the black coffee.
Thanks for the memories, I let it go now.
Big gaya. Oh, yang ini pulut bakar. Ini Nagasari. Nagasari. For coffee lovers, I recommend you come to Aceh. Kita di mana, Bu?
Ini di Birun.
Hafid Barona.
Nanti mampir ya. Repeat
Repeat.
yang original,
Oh.
original, yang
Okay.
rasa jagung, pisang manis,
Ah.
ada bumbu pedas, ini pisang sale digoreng.
Sale Sabang. So we have a lot of things here. Hafid Barona. We are trying the duck curry, bebek curry. Curry bebek.
Yeah. Ini khas Aceh ya, kari bebek.
Mi seafood, Bang Farouk. The mi Aceh looks very nice. There's a lot of selection of mi. This is the chili powder sauce that's used for the cooking of mi Aceh. This is the noodle that they are using. Ah. Ah.
we are at the border between the North Sumatra province and Aceh province. Kita ada gratis keripik. Keripik cinta guys. This is Mas Hendro. So this is the place. Jalan Medan Banda Aceh, Titi Kuning, Perumas, Asabri, Desa Air Hitam. This is Gebang.
Selamat datang di Keripik Cinta Mas Hendro.
Let us go behind.
Hai guys. Ini agak
Itu. Halo. Halo. Hah? Itu apa itu?
bumbu pedas manis.
These are the free coffee and tea. Coffee. So we have done with our shopping. Kita menuju ke Medan. Go to Medan.